soft tissue pains, the functional pains, the psychological backaches, the fibromyalgia, different thoughts, different words, all mean the same. Homeopathically, this is your very important bread and butter. All right, because this is a lesion above C1. Well, metaphorically. Whenever there is no resolution of a mental stress, there has to be a physical outlay on that. There has to be a physical manifestation. And because these days we have bad postures, that pain will come up as a backache or a neck pain or all. And these things are very common, extremely common. You need to pick them up by keeping your antennae high onto their other ways that they are doing things. The way they have come in, the way they have put up their papers, the way they are asking those questions, the way they have reacted to the spouse. All those things will give you those indications that, there is a high level of stress going on here. Or the level of information that they are talking about. 10 years ago, I have this disc prolapse which I am running around with. No disc prolapse lasts 10 years, all right? Just because they had read that report somewhere on their own X-ray or on their own MRI, they have stuck that to themselves and carried along because that's the label with which they can work against others. What you will get in findings is tendernesses at so many places. Wherever you press, they will get pain. Lot of times where they press, they will get a burp. Your classic borax and asphytida types. Pressure everywhere creates burps. Lot of areas. And the tenderness will not just be on the spine. They will be in the periscapular area. They will be in the gluteal area. They will be in the femoral area. They will be in the calf area. Wherever you touch and give pressure, they'll get pain. But if you go a little deeper and tell them that when I'm pressing, you're getting pain. So is this pain getting relieved by this pressure or you are feeling worsening of pain? No, बहुत दुखता है. But you say little more deeper and say, are you feeling better on this pressure though there is pain? Actually I feel so good when someone massages. So that little finer tunings is what you need. You need to go in, and as definitely as homeopaths, I am sure when you have taken their history of life space, you will get this situation that they are under stress or their son and daughter is in 10th. But this is very, very, very common. I've seen this happen to so many young ladies where their bachus, right from the 8th standard till the 12th standard, their aches and pains are at a high. Because they are all the time worried about what my next half mark will come from. So there is where the counseling will help. That is where you have to make them realize that though your pains are severe, and I'm genuinely saying this, you need to bring that conviction in the way you talk to the patient, that though your pains are severe, though they are so-called incapacitating and all the time there with you, but all your examination findings and a thorough clinical examination, mind you, can be a great therapy. Recently, I had a doctor who had these kind of pains and who had been going to multiple places, not getting better. I just examined her in thorough detail, not for impression making or anything, just out of my own evaluation, I just examined her thoroughly. And at the end of the session, when she was leaving, I said, I'm only feeling better because you're the first person who has examined me so details and you are now telling me that there is nothing wrong with me. Oh, I'm so relieved. So just that conviction of being able to tell them that it is no structural damage, or that the pain that you are experiencing, though getting worse with your activity, is not really damaging you further. See, the problem with most patients is that increased pain means they are thinking that there is worsening of the damage that is whatever is inside. And you guys don't understand that I have to keep on doing this every day for my family and it's getting worse. So it's damaging my spine more. You got to tell them that your spine is superb. The pain is arising out of your soft tissues. The structure of your spine has got no damage. And by doing so further, you are getting worsening of pain, but not worsening of the damage. This conviction has to be brought about, and believe me, so many of them start changing their attitude then. This is very important. This doesn't mean that you first label them functional. First try to rule out an organic cause. Once you make sure that there is no organic cause, then you label them in your mind, and then you start treating them from this perspective. So stress related soft tissue pains, most of the times I'm pretty sure by the history, and then a little bit more corroborated by the clinical examination.